red thigh curry fried chicken, or red thigh fried chicken curry. This is a fusion between 24 chicken and red thigh curry. As you can see, there's no bone, but we kept the chicken skin and the chicken meat intact. So yup, let's start this. Here we have two-legged thighs, deboned, but we kept the chicken skin. And here, about half a cup of flour dusted into the chicken meat and skin. This way it's gonna be so crispy when we deep fry it. All right. Yeah, it's gonna be so good. Now here we are. Let's hit up the oil. All right. Here, me and my maid were debating that it's okay because the bubbles are less. She says we gotta wait longer, but I'm too excited. Oh, it's hot enough. That's good. You gotta get the oil really hot. This way it gets the chickens crispy. You don't have to cook it too long, so you don't overcook it. It's just about 2 to 3 minutes, and this is all good. As soon as the bubbling is less, and of course, if you can see it's already browning, you can remove it. Yep. So now we gotta wait a bit here. Getting closer. As you can see, the bubbling is starting to slowly become less and less. Now here you can see you get ready to turn it soon. Just a little bit more. Just so both sides are freshly cooked and so good. Yep. I'm gonna go with this for a bit more. This is about 2 minutes or 3 minutes tops, and then you flip it. It's gonna be so good. As you can see, there's less and less bubbles, right? Yep. Now ready to flip it. Oh, look at that. So good, right? That's about like 2 minutes or so. We turned it. This is good. It didn't even reach 3 minutes. Yep. And now about 2 minutes later, so already it's all good. You can remove it. You can strain it on the strainer so there's less oil. Yes. Let's put it here on the side here so everyone can see it. There you go. Put it there. Let it rest for a bit while we fry the other batch. Here it is. One more. There's more space there. So basically, this is two drumsticks and two thigh part. We deboned it, but we kept the chicken skin, so it's all good. All right, here it is. Now we're debating. It's okay. It's okay. And she says not. My mate says like not yet, not yet. But I'm like, I'm excited. We gotta turn it. But it looks like it's getting good. But a little bit more. All right. Let's check it. Yep. All right. That's all good. All right, just a bit more so it's all crispy and good. And then now here it is already. It's bubbling less now. Almost no more bubbles. It's all crispy and good. Chicken tender. So you can actually eat it like this as it is. It's gonna be really good. But yes, we're gonna make red thigh curry fried chicken. Right? And here a new pan with a bit of oil, just a little bit, just to saute the onions, the ginger, all the other good stuff. Once it's hot, here the ginger first. It's a bit of ginger. If you have ginger paste, that'll also be good. But we ran out of that, so we just chopped up the ginger. There's about 2 to 3 cloves of crushed garlic. You saute it good. Once it's getting a bit brown, then we toss in the rest, the onions. This is about 2 small red onions. You can add more if you wish, but this is all good now. Oh, look, I love the smell of sauteed onions and garlic. So good. And now there's a hint of ginger, so it's even better. Alright, let's make sure everything is getting coated with oil good. Let it simmer for a bit. We don't want to overcook this, but we want it cooked really good for all the good flavors. Oh, there you go. It's getting good now. Yeah, now we can toss in the red bell peppers so it gives more aroma and flavor. It's gonna be so good. Yes, continue. Yep. Now there's about a spoon of red thigh curry. Like we're almost finished with it, but this is still good enough. If you have more, you can use 1 to 2 spoons of red thigh curry. This is about just 1 spoon left, but that's okay. That's gonna be tasty and good. There you go. Here, we use this red Thai curry paste. Alright? Now you gotta mix this. Make sure it gets cooked with the onions, red bell pepper, and garlic, so it starts to fuse the flavor really good. Once it starts cooking a bit, then we can add the yogurt. Actually, ideally, you would use 1 cup of coconut milk, but we still had a bit of yogurt when we last did the fried chicken curry, so we decided to use that instead of coconut milk. But for red Thai curry, coconut milk is a lot better, right? Yeah, that's ready. Okay, now there's a cup of yogurt. Oh yeah, it's really thick and good. Now we add a bit of water on the cup. This way we get every single bit of it. Oh yeah, and my maid is like, having a hard time because we can actually inhale the red Thai curry. It's really strong and good. There. You hear her earlier sneezing and all that. It's because, the spices are like all over the kitchen. It's about half a cup of water, just to get all the yogurt from the cup. Another half cup here. All right, that's good now. So that's a total of half a cup of water and 1 cup of yogurt. All of that, so good. And this smells amazing. You guys gotta try it and you'll enjoy the smell. Oh, the whole house will be ready for lunch. Everyone's gonna be anxious for lunch. Right? That's all good. We have simmered it for 2 minutes. It's all cooked now and ready. Now I'm explaining to my mate, drop in the chicken. We'll let the sauce get soaked in to the fried chicken. The crispy fried chicken. Oh, look at that. You guys gotta try this. It's so amazingly good. Because, you won't lack sauce because the fried chicken already soaked up the sauce in itself. It's really good. But it's also equally tasty. Yep. Look at that. Okay, now I'll clip the phone. Let me show you guys up close. Ooh. Lunch will be awesome, guys. It will really, really awesome. Right? Oh, yeah. And also click here for the chicken curry fried chicken. But oh, look at this. Yes. It's deboned, but it still has chicken skin and chicken meat. It's so good. It's fried and crispy. You're gonna love this. You gotta try. Alright? Yeah. And of course, thanks for watching and subscribe so you can check all the other good stuff here. Alright? See ya.